$19 trillion. That's how much stablecoins moved on Ethereum in 2025. No joke, this ain't your grandpa's internet. Listen up, because the crypto world is absolutely buzzing with some massive news. First off, let's talk about Ethereum. These digital dollars, known as stablecoins, think of them like digital versions of the US dollar, always pegged 1-to-1 so their value stays steady. They processed a mind-blowing $18.8 trillion on the Ethereum network just last year. That's more than some national economies, proving just how much real-world value is flowing through crypto, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more accessible across the globe. It's a huge sign of mainstream adoption for everyday financial activity. And it ain't just stablecoins. Ethereum, my friends, is no longer just a platform. It's practically the bedrock of our digital future. By 2025, it had already solidified its place as the foundation of digital civilization. We're talking about everything from the explosion of decentralized finance, where you can lend and borrow without traditional banks, to the booming world of NFTs, those unique digital collectibles, and even critical enterprise solutions. Ethereum's constant upgrades, like its move to proof of stake and ongoing scaling solutions, are making it faster, more secure, and incredibly efficient, proving it's ready for prime time. It's truly becoming the backbone for a whole new way we interact, transact, and own things online, fundamentally changing how we use the internet. Now, for some seriously big news on the institutional front that's got everyone talking. Morgan Stanley, one of the biggest names in traditional finance, just filed for spot Bitcoin and Solana ETFs. What's an ETF, you ask? Easy. It's basically a fund that holds the actual crypto, but you buy shares of that fund on a regular stock exchange. This makes it super easy for big institutions and even regular folks to invest in crypto without all the fuss and security concerns of directly buying and holding the digital assets themselves. This move by a titan like Morgan Stanley is huge, signaling that the big players are not just watching anymore, they're jumping in with both feet. We're seeing massive inflows into the crypto market, kicking off 2026 like a lion. This kind of institutional adoption brings massive credibility, liquidity, and wider public access to the entire space, pushing Bitcoin, Solana, and the whole crypto market even further into the mainstream. This is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.